Success relies on numbers. The way you become successful in advertising is by paying attention to the numbers. You can gain a lot of useful information that can help you understand how people are consuming your ads. It is a little odd to think of people consuming your advertising, but that's what they're doing. You need to figure out how they react when seeing your ad. Facebook Analytics allows you to do something reasonably unique in the world of advertising, and that is to zero in on the ideal customer. The honest truth is that there's no way to sugarcoat it to make analytics less critical than what they are. You'll either be successful using them or be another internet marketer who lost everything due to their inability to understand the numbers. I've created a step-by-step video series which will teach you everything you need to optimize your results with Facebook Analytics. So let me help you accelerate your success today. Scroll down this page below to learn more about it.